Hi, I'm Marta Atienza, and this is my work, Equation of State. My work started in 2010, and I feel like it's a project that never ended. This work is very collaborative. I made this together with my friends on Bantayan Island, and it was really about a way of thinking to ask people to say, would you want to build a machine that pulls a mangrove up and down? So the mangrove I was given by Taos University, the north of Jeddah, and I was able to meet local fishermen from Tuwal. They can see an immediate correlation between their livelihood and their fish catch and the increase of mangroves in their area. So this is just the evidence of how important mangroves are, and that there are mangroves here in the Red Sea in Saudi. And it was so exciting for me because I had a very different idea of Saudi, and all of a sudden I see these amazing mangrove forests, and I got to meet the fishermen. I have two videos, and one is me documenting the coastal areas, but we film coastal areas to show and start conversations on Bantayan Island about what's happening with our sea. I also want to start conversations about that, why are fisher folks not included in the conversation about these issues that we're facing regarding climate change, and how their voice is very important to this. Their local knowledge that we have here in Saudi and that we have in the Philippines is very important. Of course, I'm highlighting the importance of mangroves here. They protect coastal communities. When I'm moving them up and down, I'm mimicking the tides. But also, I'm showing the relationship that we have with the natural world, and how somehow we as people are also controlling. We decide which areas are protected, what species are protected, and maybe that's something that I would like the audience to walk away with, to think about that, this relationship that we have. So to have the opportunity to bring a work like this here and make it happen with a mangrove from Saudi, and then also the conversations especially, kind of connecting me to the world, connecting me to Saudi. We're all facing the same issues, so we should be connecting to each other.